50.com Waveguide to Coaxial adapter. Model number 5060 WR62 11918 SK. It features WR62, which is BJ140 Waveguide port, with frequency ranging from 11.9 to 18.0 GHz, low insertion loss of 0.2 decibels, voltage standing wave ratio approaching 1.15, continuous wave power of 50 watts, and peak power reaching up to 1 kilowatt. This X-band adapter is commonly used in radar systems, satellite communications, test and measurement, and 5G millimeter wave applications. More details, please visit www.50.com or send your request to sales@50.com. Our sales will reply you in 1 business day.